All right, so today's product is a little different. Can't really tell from the packaging, so we're gonna have to open it. Thanks to the company who wanted to do an unbagging of this so that people could see exactly what they get. So these are those like absorption deoxidizers that you put in products. You can tell that they are all individually wrapped. There's 2 in each one of these, it seems. No, I think there's a few more than 2 in each one. Yeah, there's a couple in each one. There's like 8 in each one. But this is what they would essentially look like. You open them up, of course, put them in with whatever product you're melling. This is what they would look like outside of the packaging. That's what the actual little packets look like, each individual one. Yeah, it looks like there's 10 in each pack, but that's essentially what you'd get though. Again, thanks to the company for sending these to me. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.